Just looking at it, I am having goosebumps. I have tears in my eyes. I don't know why, but hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. And in today's video, I will be doing a Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. Yes, I shopped a lot. It was Nykaa, so yes. Guys, this is what I have with me right now. So yes, let's begin the haul. So let's begin. So we'll begin by opening this box. Lots of stuff came in this box. The first item is Lakme's Pink Paradise palette. Like, this is such a gorgeous palette, guys. This is what I'm wearing on my eyelid. Like, I did my makeup using this eyeshadow palette only. And the price of this palette is $9.95, but on Pink, like on sale, I got it somewhere around $5.99. So still deal. So these are the shades. Like, you guys can check out the look which I created using this eyeshadow palette. Look at the pigmentation, guys. Like, seriously gorgeous pigmentation it has. Like, it's so easy to blend, it's so easy to apply. You can blend so easily. If you are a beginner, you can definitely go with this palette because like it blends like a butter. It's so smooth, so beautiful, and the pigmentation is on point as I showed you. Like, I absolutely love this one. Next two items are Lakme's Insta eyeliner. I have already used this black one, but I didn't had any like blue one. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes. Again, this look is there on my Instagram. You guys can check out how I created this look. So like, these were somewhere around 120 rupees, 100, 110, something like that, and it is such a gorgeous eyeliner, guys. Like, it slides so smoothly on your eyes. Like, in one flick you can create a wing eyeliner as well. The wand is so thin. Let me show. This is what the wand looks like. It's so, look at the pigment, guys. Like, isn't it a dream? Moving on to the next item of Nykaa Pink sale haul, like, are these nail paints, like from Lakme only again. So मेरे हॉल में नेल पेंट ना हो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So I included one more is there. Like, this is the shade I'm wearing below my fake nails. Let me show you. Like, this is the shade. Like, one more is there. I'm wearing this. I think I kept inside. So yeah, like, this is such a beautiful like shade. This one is 501 orange kind of shade is there, and this is pink shade. So pretty. 504. This is the shade. This one and this one. The next one is this mascara. Like, this also like is brand new. I will use it. I will share the review for this one on my Instagram stories. So if you are not following me there, you guys can check out because I post lots of stories, videos over there as well. So yeah, like, I'm looking forward to using this one and sharing with you how I like it. But it's like me, I think I will like it. Already biased. So yeah, like, the price of this one is 450 rupees, and on sale I got it for 450 only. Like, there was no sale, like no discount on this one, but it's okay. I wanted to try a new mascara. So yeah, there was some scheme going on, so because I purchased all these things again. Like, there was a sale like on 2 nail paints. I will get 1 nail paint free, so I bought 2 and I got 1 for free. And on the other, somewhere around 800 or something, you shop, you will get a lipstick or a lip liner. So for that I got this one. Yeah, so the shade of this lipstick, let me open and show it to you guys. Like, this is such a beautiful shade. This is what the lipstick looks like. This is the shade dark movie kind of shade. Let me show you. so beautiful. Guys, now moving on to the next set of items. It came in this like different packaging. It's Nykaa Looks, the luxury store, because I shop for Smashbox. So Smashbox का luxury में count होता है, so they send it in a different packaging kind of thing. Let's see, this is what it looks like. So pretty, so luxurious, guys. I have not even opened it yet. Like, I will open it. I wanted to do it on camera and share my first impression and expression, what I felt about after trying these products. Like, in this set of product, one product is so close to my heart. Like, I will show you in some time, guys. Like, let me open it. Like, it was so difficult for me to control myself not to open this box. First item is this kit. It's a collaboration with Sobhita Dhulipala. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. I'm sorry if I'm not doing that. So the price of this one was 990 rupees. Comes in like black paper kind of thing, and these are the two shades I got. The shade of this red one is Boss, and the shade of this second one is Gulabe. So let me swatch it quickly. I'm sure it will be gorgeous, guys. This is such a beautiful red. It's screaming Christmas at me. I'm thinking about creating a Christmas look, so I will use this lipstick in that one. Like, so beautiful, guys. Like, the texture is so amazing, so creamy, so buttery. And this is the second one. Like, if they are a luxury brand, there is a reason for that. Like, their products, they are at a point, like, I don't think so anything can beat that. Like, these are two gorgeous shades I got for 990. I don't think so it's expensive, personally speaking. Like, इतने अच्छे ब्रांड का आपको 990 में टू शेड्स मिल रहे हैं. एनीवेज, आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड अ लिपस्टिक टू द फुलेस्ट. लाइक, मेरी कभी आज तक कोई लिपस्टिक खत्म ही नहीं हुई है. सो आई थिंक फॉर दैट इट्स ग्रेट. So I bought another lip duo. So let me talk about this one. Like, just looking at it, I am having goosebumps. I have tears in my eyes. I don't know why, but this is Malvika Setlani's collaboration with Smashbox. Like, I have spoken so much about this on my channel. Like, she is the inspiration for me that I started this YouTube channel. She doesn't know me like I am here. I think she inspired a number of girls like me, but she is the reason. That's why I started the YouTube channel, and I am on Instagram creating videos and doing all these things. So, like, she did a collaboration with Smashbox, and if this is a tiny way of showing that I support her no matter what, like, this is it. So I cannot even, like, tell you guys how much I love her. Like, her videos, her way of talking, her way of carrying herself, she inspires me not only in makeup but in life as well. Like, check out her channel. Like, free shout out, no collaboration or anything, but so again in this I'm getting these two shades. One shade is Babe Alert and second shade is Driver's Seat. She did a collaboration previously with Smashbox as well, and I missed that one and I was regretting it. How, I cannot even tell you guys. So जब मैंने देखा तो I was the, like, जैसे ही वो पिंक फ्राइडे सेल में आया तो आई नीड टू हैड इट. वो 2 दिन में सोल्ड आउट हो गया. लाइक, हाउ मच पीपल फॉलो हर, यू गाइज लाइक नाउ कैन सी. सो दिस इज व्हाट अ शेड लुक्स लाइक. If I start talking about that, I will go on for such a long time. So this is Driver's Seat. Let me swatch Driver's Seat for you guys. Such a beautiful nude color. Not a surprise, she's a nude person. Like, she loves nudes. So yeah. Second one is Babe Alert. This is also such a gorgeous shade, guys. Like, see, guys, somewhat similar to this one, little bit. So I trust her recommendations and everything so much. I learned makeup watching her. Like she was doing makeup, I was also doing makeup side by side. मैंने कोई classes नहीं attend किया है, कुछ नहीं. I just learned after watching her videos. Like I had to support her. Like this way I feel like I have something of her with me. Like having her picture over here. Like these are the goals. तो बहुत इमोशनल हो गए हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन. आई ऑलवेज हेटेड द यूट्यूबर्स जो मतलब दे क्राई ऑन कैमरा और दे गेट इमोशनल. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई डिडंट लाइक दैट बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक इफ यू आर फीलिंग समथिंग लाइक डोंट. बट टुडे आई एम गेटिंग इट. लाइक आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड इट केम आउट. लाइक so yes, moving on. So these are the 3 things I got as a sample, free sample. So this is their Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control. I have never tried it. I will use it as a primer and let you guys know that how I liked it. Again, this is also a primer with vitamin B, C and E. Let me quickly seal. So let me quickly show you. This is so jelly like Smashbox. They create amazing products. Like they are high-end luxury brand, but like if you are investing in their product, it's not like you are wasting your money. Like it's worth every penny spent. I'm so happy. And again, one more shade I got for the lipstick. I love the formula of this lipstick, guys. Like so pretty. This is what shade. Nudes. I got so many nudes. So many new lipsticks. So I will do a lip swatch video on like my Instagram. So like keep an eye for that one also. Like check out my Instagram stories, videos, everything. So many videos are there already on there on my like on that platform. Tried something different with my hairstyle and all. Like let me know if you guys like it or not. And yes guys, this is it for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. So let me know which product you like the most, and if you have tried all these products, let me know in the comments down below. I have also done a Nykaa haul previously. I think बहुत किए हैं. So I will add the links of everything in the description box. Like the video, hit the like button, leave a comment, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Help me reach my goal of 1000 subscribers. थोड़ा सही रह गया है. So help me. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.